If you guys watched my last video, you know I built an absolutely huge Rubik's Cube. And today, I'm gonna turn it into a mega mansion, complete with a swimming pool, balconies, and eventually a whole garden on the roof. And you know me, I'm absolutely horrible at survival. So I'm gonna be finishing the interior on Creator. Well, let's get to it. This place is absolutely huge. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this whole thing. Anyways, the first thing I need to do is find a block that I can use for the floor. And since the floor was supposed to be yellow, I decided I was gonna use gold. At first, until I realized how ugly the gold block was, then I decided to use glowstone, which actually didn't look half bad. But as you'll see throughout the rest of the episode, I changed my mind several times on that. Well, now that the floor is finished, I need to build a door so I don't get killed by a creeper again. Ah, not again. Let's see, can I get... Oh, come on. Well, at least I'm on Creator, and I promise I didn't script this. I mean, who scripts a hole getting blown in the floor of something they just finished? Anyways, one compass, and about 5 minutes later, I finally got back to base. After I got back and picked up all my stuff, explained how much I really need a door, then blocked it up, I fixed the floor, and then was ready to build the door. So I really like the idea of having a fully automatic redstone door that just slides panels back instead of actually having to open the door with your hand. So let's get to it. First thing I thought I was going to need was wood, but it turns out I actually know utterly nothing about redstone, and we'll figure that out in about 1 minute. Since I realize I'm absolutely horrible at redstone, I'm gonna get somebody who actually knows how to do redstone to do this. My little brother. I know that's a little embarrassing, because it is, but since he's better at it than I am, let's do this. So it turns out Mineclone 2 redstone and Minecraft redstone are very different. And about 2 tutorials and 20 or 30 minutes later, we finally realized that. So I was done. With that, psych! You really thought I was going to be finished with the build? Anyways, here's our extremely high-tech redstone doors. Horse, stop opening them. Come on. Anyway, since we finished the doors, now it's time to start building the swimming pool. Since it's the next thing on the ground floor, so let's get to it. So originally, I wanted to build the swimming pool out of marble. But since I couldn't find marble, because it doesn't exist, I found this cool tile stuff and decided I was going to build it out of this. That was until a creeper interrupted me. Again. Alright, let's just take this block out here. Whoa! Oh my goodness, that was way too close. Man, I'm glad I had another right armor on. Haha, suckers, didn't get me this time. So I fixed the hole, and that was that. And the swimming pool room was finished, which doesn't look too bad in my opinion, which nobody really cares about. The next thing I needed to do was set up the floors, as far as how many floors there was going to be, what heights they were going to be at, and so after I was finished with that, I water bucketed down and went to bed. Day 3, at least. Since I've been working inside, I actually don't know what day it is at this point, but I think it's around day 3. So today we're going to be mainly working on just setting up the frame and kind of building maybe some of the floors and some other stuff too maybe. So yeah, let's get to it. So basically right now I'm just outlining the floors so that I'll know where to build in the future. Boring but necessary. So then I decided to kind of checkerboard the entryway here because it really just wasn't looking good. And then I thought, well, maybe if I use wood to kind of cover up the glowstone, because the glowstone was just getting really, really monotonous. It was really ugly. Then I'm like, maybe if I use this white concrete, it'll look more modern. And then I was like, well, maybe there is marble. Maybe I just spelled it wrong. I don't know. Because the white concrete was looking absolutely horrible, as you can see. It was really dead. And I'm looking through blocks, and then it hits me. Duh. Stuff I'm looking for is quartz block. I know, guys, my memory is about as good as my builds. Anyways, I really think that's what turned this build around and made it so awesome in the end. Once I got the floor of the entryway finished, I was really loving it. Got the pillar blocks and the side etching blocks. Got some soul torches and started putting them up. Then I remembered, oh yeah, stairs work really, really well for this. And I put those on and it was really, really looking great. Started to build the second floor. Got it done completely. And then it happened. A creeper hit. For the 3rd time this video series. Alright, what? Not again. Man. I just finished this too. How did he even... Oh, pressure plate. Yep. Alright, blocking that up. And this is me fixing the entryway again. Now that the entryway is fixed, it's time to start building the stairs and second floor. Now it's time to start building the absolutely huge main pillars that we're going to be using to support the whole middle balcony, which is going to be quite awesome when I'm done with it. Now that the pillars are built and the blocks that we didn't need are knocked out, let's start building the floors and the skylight above the balcony. Check it out, guys. That skylight looks awesome. I don't think I've ever built something that looked quite this good in my life, much less inside of a massive Rubik's Cube. But next, let's finish building the balconies and start on building the walls, and knock out all this glowstone while we're at it. the walls are almost completely finished, it's time to build the floors. I know, I already said that about 5 times so far, but we're really going to do it this time, I promise. Alright, now that we're finished with the floors, which actually look even more awesome, we need to do some touch-up work, like take out all this glowstone on the floor, add some glowstone here and there where it needs to be, add the floor in this area, and add the stairs, and I think that should be it. So yeah, let's get to it. And we're finished. Check it out. That's all I got for you guys today. Next time, I'm going to be building a bunch of rooms, furnishing the whole interior, and putting a garden on the roof. So if that sounds interesting to you at all, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video whatsoever, please like this video. See ya!